Hello everyone, this is Alfaj and you always watching my channel Alfaj Tech Zone. So in this video I will show motorcycle accidents laws in USA. This video is very important and informative. So do not skip my video and let's start watching. Motorcycle are more dangerous than any other motor bicycle in roads. This is true reason of true. First, it is hard to maintain control of motorcycle, and secondly, motorcycle are more dangerous than other motor bicycle because they do not provide the protection of ensure the driver and passenger. Recent statistics show that the number of deaths by motorcycle in United States 30 times the number of fatalities by car. Motorcycle are less visible on this road. Which leaves them vulnerable to the other motor bicycle. Motorcycle also look stability when it comes to sudden turns, braking and showing further to very design of the motorcycle leaves the driver is vulnerable to harms from other cars, roads and dangerous terrain. It is my jobs. Motorcycle accident can happen for a number of reasons. Motorcycle accident can motorcycle accident happened for a reason. Motorcycle accident can motorcycle accident can happen for a number of reasons. However, the most common case of motorcycle accident are unsafe road and condition. Others distracted driver. Other drivers failure to yield the right of way right. Other important motorcycle illegal by industries or otherwise. Thank you and watching my thank you and watching my videos.